Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to make a dynamic value tracking variable creation. So first of all, please go to the variable option, and after variable option, here we can see defined variable, and here you can see new variable. In the I select data layer variable. Okay, so first of all I will write data layer variable for value, that means total price. Okay, so just here I need to write, here you can see data layer variable in the view item, in the currency e-commerce dot currency, and if you check data layer variable currency items from price. Okay, so just a minute, here if you check this part, then you will get view item. Okay, view item, this is the currency, and here you can see this is the pricing. Where is pricing? So just a minute, we need to go again. This is the view item, and this is the pricing. Okay, so I will track add to cart pricing. Okay, or checkout page pricing. So just a minute, I am going to hoodie option, and after going to the hoodie option, just click this one and select a product and add to basket, and I'm going to view basket option. So this is the cart option. Okay, so maybe I just check the data layer variable view cart. Okay, so e-commerce dot value. Okay, this is our data layer code. So if I check the cart option, here you can see e-commerce dot value. So I just paste here and save this one, and I will create a new variable, data layer variable for currency. Okay, so if I check the currency, then here you can see e-commerce dot currency, e-commerce, copy this one and copy this one, and finally we need to select the data layer variable, and the data layer variable, copy this one, and here you can see currency, just copy this currency. Okay, so this copy this one, and if you check, here you can see the currency value, just check the data layer and view cart item, and this is the currency code. Okay, this is perfect. This is also, you can copy this one and just try to again paste. This is okay, this is okay, and save this one. Okay, I think now we need to track a add to cart. Okay, so first of all, for tracking add to cart button, we need to, so now we need to go a tracking. Okay, now I will publish add to cart button tracking. Okay, so add to button tracking, first of all we need to log in our Google account, Google Ads account. So I just go ads.google.com and sign in our Google ad account. And we need to click the goal option. And we need to create a new conversion, and this will be also website, and we need to copy this our website and paste here and scan now. So they are scanning and we need to add a manual action. Okay, so select a category, we need to add to cart. Okay, then conversion name, add to cart, use different value for each conversion. Okay, then done, and after done go to the save option. After saving, here you can see use goal tag manager. So first of all I copy this conversion ID and go to the tag option. After going the tag option, create a new, write a GA ads add to cart. Then here you can see Google ad. So before creating Google ad, first of all we need to create a conversion linker. So just write here conversion linker, and triggering all pages, and save this one and create a new tag and add GA ads add to cart. Then we need to Google ads and Google ad conversion tracking. Here conversion ID and conversion level, we need to find conversion level. Okay, this is the conversion level, and click the done option. Okay, so just write conversion level, and conversion value will be DLB value, and currency will be DLB currency. Okay, and triggering we need to create a new triggering. Just right here and add to cart tracking. Okay, then click the custom events, and if you select the custom event, then you will found our custom events in the tag manager. In the custom event, in the data layer is a variable. In the custom event name is view card. Okay, just copy this one and paste here and submit this one, and finally save this one and just try to check this is working or not. Okay, so I just preview again. And after previewing, successfully is connected, and I am going to a hoodie option. I'm going to a hoodie option and choose script and pixel and add to cart, and finally go to the checkout option. Okay, after going checkout, maybe we need to go first of all add to basket first and view basket. This is add to cart option. Okay, and if you click the add to cart option, maybe this option is firing. So this task is working successfully. In the next video we will track a begin checkout and the purchase tracking. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help, let me contact us to set up your tracking. Thank you so much for watching this video.